Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, let's see kung ano yung energies na inyong money, career, finances. Ngayong August 2026, this is a general reading, so pwede kayong makarelate, pwedeng hindi. Just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services, so mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Kung gusto niyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mysticqueenph.com, or you can book directly sa aking calendar. Link on the description or comment section. Okay, Virgo, let's see your kaperahan, money, career, finances for Virgos. Okay. Alchemy, wow. So, alchemizing things, like changing things, turning things into much better. No? So, yung iba, well, this is definitely a Virgo energy who knows how to alchemize. So, maaring nasa ano kayo, field ng technology, field ng like changing things, transforming things. And I think yan yung magbibigay sa inyo ng bagong karanasan, no? Pagdating sa trabaho and career. Because look at that, merong rebirth. It's a brand new you. Oo. I think you are finally stepping into your own power. Okay, some of you, Virgo, you are into witchcraft, or you are into spirituality, occult practices, astrology. And I think yan yung nare-realize nyo rin sa sarili nyo, no? Na meron kayong abilities pagdating sa anything esoteric and occult practices. You also have love for what you do, love for your career, love for healing. So, yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong mga healing qualities or healing gifts. You can heal people. Okay, let's see what else. Overall energy. You have the Fool. So, yung iba sa inyo, merong bagong susubukan. It's like taking that leap of faith, paglalakas ng loob na sumubok ng bago. Yung iba sa inyo, ito ay hindi nyo pa na-experience pagdating sa trabaho, sa business, but you know, naniniwala ka sa kakayanan mo kasi alam mo na nandito yung passion mo. Your challenge is the Nine of Pentacles. So, I think kasi iba, minsan iniisip natin lagi, pera, no? Ito ba, magkano ba kikitain ko dyan? But, yung, ang ano kasi, ang mas nagtatagal na income is kung saan ka passionate. Kasi, kumbaga, okay, ang motivation mo pera, pero kapag napagod ka, mabilis kang ma-demotivate, eh. 'Di ba? Mawalan ng gana sa isang trabaho. But I think ngayon, you are aligning yourself to a career path, trabaho or business na mahal mo, na talagang nandun yung passion mo. Now, your opportunity is the Knight of Pentacles. Yes, so this time, mas magtatagal ka dyan. Kumbaga, mas bibigyan mo to ng pagkakataon na i-prove yung sarili na you can be someone better than before. Kasi minsan, 'di ba, pag nakita natin na ay ang daming challenges, ayoko na, wag na, tama na. Eh hindi mo pa nga nakikita yung potential eh. Hindi mo pa nakikita na yung potential ng career na yon. Hindi mo pa nakikita yung potential talaga ng like the fullest potential of that business. Umaayaw ka na agad. So, ngayon, you will stay. You will stay, you will give it a try, you will take care of your passion. Kasi syempre, pag minahal mo ang career mo, trabaho mo, that you are passionate about, mamalahin ka rin yan pabalik. Now, your blessing is the King of Wands. As a blessing, this is about being free, being, sabihin ko sana, wild and free. But, I think, some of you, meron kayong capabilities to be a teacher, to be someone na mag-share ng inyong knowledge and skill set sa iba. And I think yan din yung isa sa upgrade na gagawin nyo ngayong August, wherein you will test your teaching capabilities. Some of you, the blessing is career outside of your country, kung saan ka nakatira ngayon. Efficient budgeting, yes. Pagdating sa pagbabudget ng kaperahan, magiging maingat ka, no, sa paglabas ng pera mo. Itatrack mo yung income mo tsaka expenses para alam mo kung saan napupunta yung pera mo. Saving strategies, yes. So magkakaroon ka rin ng mga ideas kung paano mo mas mapapalago yung pera mo. At paano ka mas makakapag-save, mas makakapag-ipon kaysa sa maggastos, di ba? Innovative thinking or innovative thinking. So you will cultivate innovative or innovative thinking. Ano ba yung tawag pronunciation dyan? You will embrace your creativity. Yes. Mas magiging creative ka, like doing things with your hands, yung craftsmanship. So, maaring yan yung isa sa talents mo. You are doing crafts or arts. Ostrich, the choice is clear for you now. Follow the wisdom and truth you feel in your heart. O kaya may love dito kasi meron kang truth, may katotohanan ka, alam mo sa sarili mo na yun yung gusto mo. So you will follow what you really love when it comes to your career, business, kung ano man yung gusto mong i-pursue sa iyong life. Okay? So that is your reading, Virgo. Thank you so much. See you again.